So we have to evaluate the following integral, and in this case we're going to use u substitution. We're going to treat this term as our u, so we let u equals 1 minus 4x squared, therefore du is equal to minus 8x dx. And we find that we already have minus 8x dx in the actual integrand, and hence we simply substitute for our values here. We get the following. Now the denominator we said was u, square root of u, since 1 minus 4x squared is u, and then minus 8x dx. This represents our du, and this is what we have to evaluate. So now we have to evaluate this, the 1 over square root of u. Now first of all, I need to write this down in negative exponents as follows. It's essentially u to the negative a half. Remember, square root is just to the power of a half, so the negative of half means it's the inverse, which is 1 over square root of u du. Now it's simply a matter of evaluating this integral. And to evaluate this, we go u to the minus a half plus 1 over minus a half plus 1. And because this is an indefinite integral, we have to add a constant. So we continue on the next page. I said the following here, plus 1 over minus a half plus 1, which is equal to just u to the power of a half over a half. And now if we divide by a half, we actually multiply them by 2, so it's okay. Don't forget that c, the constant of integration, and so it's just 2 square root of u, since u to the power of a half is a square root, and then we add c there. And now we just have to do a little substituting back action. So it's 2 square root of, what did we say u was? So u is 1 minus 4x squared, so it's just 1 minus 4x squared plus c, and that's your final answer.